Does your director of operations understand your sales department? Within your team, have you ever heard, well, that's for the sales side, or that's admin or operations side? Brain explosion. Really? The last time I checked, our organizational model is not designed to have sides, separations, or division. Your team should be unified and speaking the same language between all departments. Here's a question to think about. How is a director of operations supposed to oversee, build, and improve a scaled experience for your clients and your agents if they haven't even been out in the field or even shadowed the sales department? I'm going to go rogue on this one. Get this. There are actually some DOOs out there who are actively in production or have actively been in production. Our course, The Perfect Operation Team, equips your operations leadership to deeply understand all facets of your business. We empower them to be the glue that holds the business together while ensuring that their department's contribution also generates its share of production and buys back time to you and your agents.